Master Chief Petty Officer John 117, or Master Chief, is a fictional character and the protagonist in the Halo multimedia franchise. Master Chief is a playable character in the series of science fiction first-person shooter video games Halo, Combat Evolved, Halo 2, Halo 3, Halo 4, Halo 5, Guardians and Halo Infinite. The character also appears in Halo books and graphic novels including Halo, The Fall of Reach, Halo, The Flood, Halo, First Strike, and Halo, Uprising, and has minor appearances or cameos in other Halo media. Master Chief is a towering super soldier known as a Spartan, raised and trained from childhood for combat. He is almost faceless and rarely seen without his green-colored armor and helmet. He is commonly referred to by his naval rank rather than his given birth name. The character is voiced by Steve Downes, a Chicago disc jockey, in the video games in which he appears. Downes based his personification of the Chief on an initial character sketch, which called for a Clint Eastwood-type character of few words. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.